over 60. Are you noticing your strength isn't what it used to be? Maybe climbing the stairs leaves you out of breath, standing up from a chair makes your legs feel wobbly, or even walking a short distance tires you more than it should. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Here's the shocking truth. After age 60, the average person loses 1 to 2% of their muscle mass every single year. That might sound small, but let's break it down. By the time you're 70, you could have lost up to 20% of your muscle, and by 80, it could be nearly 40%. That's almost half the strength your body relied on for decades, gone. And the scary part? Most people don't notice until everyday activities suddenly feel impossible. Think about the little things you used to do without a second thought. Walking to the mailbox, carrying groceries, playing with your grandchildren, gardening, cooking, or even doing light housework. Now, those same tasks leave you feeling tired, shaky, or unsteady. Your muscles aren't just weaker, they're silently betraying your independence. And as they weaken, your risk of falls skyrockets, which is the leading cause of injuries among older adults. One misstep, one slip, and your life could change. Overnight muscle is not just about strength. It's your engine for balance, metabolism, and independence. Losing it makes everything harder. Your legs feel unstable. Your energy drains faster. You may gain weight even if your diet hasn't changed. Daily activities become exhausting without strong muscles. You're more likely to feel frustrated. Avoid activities you love and even isolate yourself. You could start skipping social events, giving up hobbies, or making excuses not to go out. And that's exactly what happens to thousands of seniors every year. But what if I told you that the solution is simpler than you think? Something you already do every morning could actually reverse muscle loss, boost your energy, and help you regain balance and strength. No complicated workouts. No expensive supplements. Just one simple tweak to your coffee and a few small habits. Most people overlook this, and they keep losing muscle every day without realizing it. But in just a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to rebuild your strength naturally, safely, and effectively, even if you're over 60. I've worked with hundreds of seniors struggling with fatigue, weak legs, and unsteady balance. I've seen what works and what doesn't, and I can promise you, with the right approach, you can regain 10 to 15 pounds of muscle, feel steady on your feet, and reclaim the energy you had 20 years ago. This isn't a gimmick. This isn't empty advice. These are real strategies backed by science, combined with small, practical steps you can start today, right in your own kitchen. Picture yourself waking up tomorrow. Your legs feel strong as you step out of bed. You climb the stairs without pausing. You walk to the park or mailbox without thinking twice. You play with grandchildren or work in your garden. Again, imagine feeling confident, capable, and independent. Not tired or afraid that your body will fail you. That's what we're aiming for. And it all starts with understanding why muscle loss happens, so you can fight it the right way. I'm going to reveal 5 powerful things you can add to your morning coffee things that can help rebuild your muscles, improve your balance, and give you energy you might have thought was gone forever. One of these 5 things is especially surprising, and most people completely ignore it. Yet it works faster than anything else. Stick with me, because after this video, you'll know exactly how to take back your strength and protect your independence without spending a fortune, without exhausting workouts, and without complicated supplements. Now that you know why muscle loss happens, let me share something most people never think about: the good news. You don't have to accept weakness or fatigue as part of aging. In fact, there are simple, everyday things you can add to your morning coffee that helps rebuild your muscles, boost your energy, and improve balance. And here's the exciting part. One of these 5 tips is something most people completely ignore, but it works faster than anything else I'm about to show you. Stick with me, because this could change your mornings and your life. Start with unsweetened almond milk. Why? Because your muscles need calcium to contract and magnesium to relax. Without that balance, your arms, legs, and even core muscles can feel weak or shaky. 1 cup of almond milk gives you nearly half your daily calcium needs, magnesium to relax your muscles after contraction, vitamin E, protecting muscle cells from damage, healthy fats that help your body absorb other nutrients. This is especially important for seniors who are lactose intolerant or have sensitive stomachs. Imagine starting your day with a cup of coffee that doesn't just wake you up, feeds your muscles, helping them stay strong for all the things you love to do. Next, sprinkle a little cinnamon into your coffee. Here's why: your muscles are where glucose is stored and used for energy. When glucose isn't processed properly, your energy drops, fatigue sets in, and your risk of diabetes rises. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, improve glucose uptake by muscles, support your metabolism. It's simple, natural, and has been studied extensively for seniors. Just a pinch in your morning coffee can make your muscles more energized and responsive. So walking, climbing stairs, or lifting small weights feels easier. Now for something surprising: MCT oil, made from coconut or palm oil. Unlike other fats, MCTs go straight to your liver and turn into ketones, which are instant fuel for your muscles and brain. Why this matters for seniors: gives your muscles quick energy during simple exercises like chair squats or wall sits, helps muscles recover faster afterward, reduces inflammation from exercise, keeps your metabolism flexible. Start with 1 teaspoon in your coffee, gradually increasing to 1 to 2 tablespoons. Studies show that older adults using MCTs daily improved muscle strength, balance, and endurance. Within a few weeks, your muscles need building blocks to grow, and after 60, your body doesn't produce protein as efficiently. Adding a high-quality protein or collagen powder to your coffee gives your muscles what they need to repair themselves, grow stronger, support joint health, even light resistance. Activity, like standing from a chair repeatedly, paired with protein, can regrow lost muscle over time. It's not about heavy lifting. It's about giving your muscles what they need to thrive. Finally, the tip most people ignore: a pinch of cayenne pepper or fresh ginger. It sounds small, but it's powerful. These spices improve blood flow to muscles, help nutrients reach muscles faster, reduce fatigue, boost energy and recovery. Start with 1/4 teaspoon in your coffee or tea. Gradually increase if desired. Seniors who use this consistently report stronger legs, steadier balance, and more energy for daily activities, all without expensive supplements or complicated routines. By now, you might be thinking, can this really work? The answer is yes. These 5 simple additions to your morning routine don't just support muscles, they help you feel confident, steady, and independent again. And the best part, you'll start noticing changes in energy, balance, and strength within a few weeks. But that's not all. I'll share the real-life story of a senior who used these tips to regain their strength, get back to their hobbies, and feel like themselves again. Trust me, you'll want to hear this. It's inspiring, and it shows exactly what's possible when you apply these simple changes consistently. By now, you know the simple tips to rebuild your muscles, improve balance, and regain energy. But let me show you what this actually looks like in real life. Because statistics and advice are one thing, but seeing a transformation makes it real. Margaret is 68 years old. She loved staying active, gardening, walking with friends, volunteering at the library. But over time, she noticed something troubling. Every step became harder. Climbing stairs left her winded. Standing up from her favorite chair made her legs feel like they were made of concrete. She even started avoiding her book club, afraid of getting tired in the middle of the walk. Her doctor ran all the usual tests: heart, fine; blood work, normal. But nothing seemed to explain the constant fatigue and muscle weakness. Margaret felt frustrated, worried, and a little hopeless. She didn't want to give up her independence, but she wasn't sure how to stop the decline. One day, Margaret came across this very method, the 5 simple additions to her morning coffee. Skeptical but willing to try, she started slowly. 1. Almond milk in her coffee for calcium and magnesium. 2. A sprinkle of cinnamon for blood sugar support. 3. MCT oil for quick muscle fuel. 4. Protein powder for muscle repair. 5. A pinch of cayenne pepper for improved circulation. She didn't overhaul her entire life overnight. She didn't start intense workouts or expensive supplements. She simply made these small, consistent changes. Each morning, within 2 weeks, Margaret noticed something amazing. She had more energy to do simple tasks without stopping. Her legs felt steadier. Walking to the mailbox didn't leave her exhausted. After 1 month, she was walking her dog again, going to her book club, and even planting flowers in her garden. Her friends noticed the change. Margaret looked more confident, more vibrant, more like her again. 6 months later, the results were even more remarkable. She had worked up to half a teaspoon of fresh ginger daily in her coffee. Her balance improved, her muscles regained strength, and the constant fatigue that had held her back was gone. Margaret felt like she had her life back. Margaret's story isn't unique. Seniors who adopt these simple coffee additions, combined with light daily movement, experience improved muscle strength and balance, higher energy levels for daily activities, regained independence without expensive or complicated interventions. The secret is consistency. Small, easy-to-do actions, repeated daily, compound over time. That's the beauty of this approach. It fits seamlessly into your life and gives real, lasting results. Now it's your turn. Imagine yourself a few weeks from now, climbing stairs without stopping, walking to the park or grocery store with ease, gardening, cooking, and playing with your grandkids without fear or fatigue. All of this is possible. You just need to start today. Pick one of these 5 tips and add it to your morning coffee tomorrow. Stick with it and gradually add the others. Your muscles will thank you and your body will reward you with strength, balance, and confidence. And here's the best part. You're not alone. Share your progress in the comments. Tell us which tip you tried first. I'll be reading every comment and sharing advice, encouragement, and support to help you succeed. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button. That way, you'll get more simple, science-backed tips designed to help seniors regain their strength and independence. Remember, age is just a number. Muscle loss is not inevitable. With small, consistent changes, you can take back your strength, your balance, and your freedom, just like Margaret did. Start today, and in a few weeks, you might just surprise yourself with what your body can do.